Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix most commonly occurring Wi-Fi issues on your LG Gram laptop. So first of all, try simply toggling your Wi-Fi by clicking the Wi-Fi icon in the control center, or instead you can also toggle the airplane mode to reset all connections in one click, and then check if your Wi-Fi connection has improved. And if it didn't, then right click the Wi-Fi icon, click go to settings, then select network and internet, so just return to the previous page and select advanced network settings. Now select network reset, click reset now, then yes, then close this notification, and now open the start menu, go to power options, select restart, and wait until your device is restarted. And once your device is restarted, let's sign in to the account. Then open the control center once again, click the arrow icon next to your Wi-Fi icon, then try to reconnect to the network by providing the password to it. Press enter and see if your connection has improved by now. And if it still didn't, don't worry. On your taskbar, right click the Wi-Fi icon and select diagnose network problem, and you'll get the troubleshooting steps to fix your Wi-Fi issue. So all you have to do right now is go through all of these troubleshooting steps you see in front of you. And if you go through all of them and you still cannot connect to your Wi-Fi, then another thing that you can do is manually update your drivers to the Wi-Fi. So in order to do so, you have to open the start menu and then search for device manager. And once you find the device manager, open it. And now on the device manager screen, you have to expand network adapters list and find the Intel Wi-Fi adapter. You can, if you have some sort of internet connection on your PC, you can click update driver and search, automatically for drivers and see if there are any drivers available for your device. Alternatively, you can download drivers manually from the LG page, and to do that, you're probably gonna need another device if you don't have internet connection on this one. In order to find the proper drivers, first you're gonna have to check your device's model, and the model of your device is located on the back cover of the laptop. So let me quickly show you how to locate it so that you can easily find the right drivers to your laptop. Let me turn the laptop around, and here on the back side of your laptop you can spot the model and the model name or the model number. That's something that you have to either remember or, more realistically, take a photo of, or maybe write it down somewhere. And let me return in a second. So now what you have to do is grab a device with internet connection. If it's not this laptop, then you can use another one, and just transfer the driver using a USB flash drive. But basically right now what you have to do is Google, or basically search for the model number of your laptop, and then search for drivers, download, press enter, and we're gonna find the official LG website saying LG something something product support. That's what we're looking for. Open this website, and here select the manual and softwares tab, and scroll down, find the wireless driver and click download next to it. Wait until this zip file is downloaded. Then what we're gonna have to do is create a separate folder in the downloads folder, or basically once you transfer this file to your LG, you have to create a separate folder in the folder where your file is stored, and we can name it, for example, driver. Now right click your zip file, then select extract all, and so let's select browse, and then select your driver folder, click select folder, click extract, and right now this everything is extracted. And what we have to do now is go back to the device manager, right click the Wi-Fi adapter, and then select update driver, browse my computer, browse, select this folder where you extracted all the files from the zip file, click OK, click next, and if there are any drivers that need to be updated on your computer, then they would have already been updated. Now in case this doesn't help, you can also restart your computer after reinstalling the driver. And in case none of these solutions helped you, then it might be either a router problem. So try connecting to different to other Wi-Fi's, maybe to a mobile hotspot on your mobile phone. See if your if the problem is with the router or with your computer. And basically, if it's if the problem is with the router, you should contact your internet provider and ask them for any outages, or maybe for well, if there are any outages on their site, and they'll let you know. Or if you detect that this problem is inside your computer, then maybe something is wrong with your network hardware. And in such case, you should definitely contact LG customer support service and tell them about your issue, and maybe even send your laptop to them for repair, but maybe they'll guide you through some more troubleshooting steps I didn't know about. And so that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.